our videos sound better and just be better overall. But
yeah.
even that too, I want to pursue voice acting and sound effects for movies. I really want to do
He's bad.
the film side of audio.
He's bad.
Terribly badly. I'd love to get into the industry,
He's bad.
but
He's bad.
got a long way to go.
He's bad. Don't listen to him. He's not.
Oh.
He doesn't understand.
I'll check Instagram, I guess.
We are at 249.
Reese
Wow.
got a dur.
249.
Logan, you
Yeah, I'm still here. Do you not
No,
hear me?
No, I hear you. Do you hear me?
Yeah. I
Okay.
hear you.
Did you hear that Reese got a deer?
Yeah, I saw.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, we are right there. We need one more, and then we're at 250. I go PP Extendus when I see Gary. That's pretty good.
Yeah, we're pretty much just waiting on me. I have to get PUBG downloaded, which it's at 11 more minutes, so.
Alright. PUBG's loading up here.
Alright.
There we go. There we go.
Oh yeah, did you... I know, Logan, you probably don't care, but... Hopefully I can... Yeah, did you... I know, Logan...
Spermus releases.
I guess Timmy's watching, too. Hi,
Well-
Timmy.
What, my stream or
Yeah, he's making fun of you for your 200. No, I'm kidding.
for the
Well,
250?
he sort of is. He's kind of... He's just...